This is Trail Expedition, and I have a gear review for you guys today. It's actually more of an initial impression because, I'm just getting this product. So this product is a portable air conditioner. It is from a company called CYBERTAKE. It is their S2 Pro model. It's their newest model. I really had no intentions of getting a portable AC unit. I live in Michigan, where honestly, it's only really hot July, August, September for camping. However, if you're a person like me, I hate being hot when I sleep. I sleep like crap when it's too hot out. So something like this could actually help out quite a bit with that. I did use this past weekend, Memorial weekend, while I was camping with some friends in northern Michigan. However, it was 38 degrees outside at night. Obviously, a portable AC isn't going to help you for that. However, and the reason why I decided to do a review on this one is the fact that this is not only an AC, but it's also a heater. It's multifunctional. You can use it as a heater, which it does heat from as low as 60 up to 90 degrees. And then it also has an AC portion where it goes from 60 to 82. So it functions as two different things, and that's really what intrigued me about this product. So I have a couple of key features on here, and I'm just gonna read them off just because I'm not gonna remember these. So S2 Pro, designed specifically for outdoor enthusiasts. It does have fast cooling and high power heating. Cools down 18 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 minutes and provides 1800 watts of fast warmth when needed. Panasonic Wilderness proven tech industrial grade compressor packed into a 25-pound one handle carry design. No installation, no hassle. Simply plug it into the portable power station or a household outlet. And decibel level is 40 decibels, so it's relatively quiet. All right, so let's talk about what all comes with this portable AC unit. You have the air conditioner itself. This air conditioner is approximately 25 pounds. Lengthwise, it's about 22 inches. Height-wise, it's about 14 inches. There is a big grab handle right on the top, and then also a display on the top as well. Multiple buttons right on the display, max button, timer button, on-off button, multifunction, eco button, and then your fan button, and then your temperature buttons as well. So that's gonna be the main thing in the kit. To power this thing, there is an AC adapter. It just plugs right back into the back portion here of the air conditioner, and then you can plug it into the wall or like a Jackery or an EcoFlow or a various power station. So a couple other things that it comes with. This here is a drain hose. This is going to hook into the back. You can run the AC without having this hooked up. However, eventually there will be enough water that will collect in here where you'll have to eventually empty it. Or you can just leave it permanently hooked up if you have it like permanently placed somewhere. A couple other things. It does have a couple of these hoses that it comes with. There's a 3-inch hose and a 4-inch hose. And then they got a couple of these like coupler, I'm assuming they're couplers. And what they do is they're gonna hook into the hose end, and then the other end is gonna hook into the front or the rear. Kind of just like that. And then there's these two pieces as well. So now this piece is already on the front of the AC unit, and then this one technically would be for the back of the AC unit. I don't have it clipped in right now. And it really depends on how you wanna use this. So there's multiple ways you can use this AC unit. For example, if you were using this inside of like say an RV or a camper van or something like that, you probably wouldn't need this front piece connected. You could just take it right off. You can just pop that, yep, so that pops right off. And really, if you're using this indoors, you really don't even need this piece. You could just take it right off. However, you guys are gonna wanna put this piece on the back end. So this piece will snap right into place just like the front one does, and then you're gonna wanna put your hoses right out the back. And the reason for doing this is, no, the exhaust is not harmful in any way. However, if you're using this to cool a space, say if you got your cold air coming out here, what's coming out the rear is hot air. So if you don't have this vented out somewhere, you're pretty much breaking even. So if you're trying to, if you have this in your camper van, you're cooling it, but then this is also pushing out hot air, you need that hot air to go somewhere else. So that's why they have this vent so you can actually put it outside.